Hey Attractions Magazine, it is Greg back in Las Vegas at Area 15 because apparently that's the only place I go to in Vegas, but we're here for a very special reason. Meow Wolf is finally opening up Omega Mart and they invited us to check it out for you. So let's go see what they got going on.
Grocery store. And once they get into that environment, they begin to understand that something's not quite right, and there are portals that take them into our fantasy psychedelic experiences that we have, which is sort of the unknown part of the discovery, the journey. What you're seeing today is actually the manifestation of two previous Omega Marts. There was one a long time ago that was a small experiment, and there was one in Santa Fe that was literally a storefront, and now here we are in Las Vegas.
Like, I feel like I'm in a video game, but not an escape room, but not. It's theater, immersive theater, but not. But it's all of those things, and we're really trying to create an experience that is an open world, super deep world that people can explore kind of on their own terms, going as deep as they want with little clues and trailheads to kind of hook them and let them know that, hey, this is an open world, but it's a world with high stakes and characters that are super engaging and some really kind of out there sci-fi conflicts happening.
I detect your greeting. Hello back.
All right, we're going into a portal in another world. Here we go. Oh, wow. These bottles have been in here for a while. So we just finished our trip through Omega Mart. How was it? I don't even know how to describe it. There is so much to see and do. It is just, it's overload. It's overload the entire time. Every single room we went in was overwhelming. To put it in theme park terms, imagine if the world of Pandora was created by hippies on acid while listening to the Beatles, but also had all that same technology and money behind it. Everything is well thought out. Everything is amazing visually. I haven't gotten a chance to play with as many of the things as I want to in here. I'm going to be coming back. if you come to Vegas, I think this has become a must-do. I can't say it in any other way, so look at the visuals again. That's the only way you can figure it out. Once again, this is Greg out in Vegas. Thanks for watching Attractions Magazine. Have fun.